If you want to edit photos on Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, open the Photos app. Now, once you open the Photos app, you want to open the photo that you want to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. Then you should be able to tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen, and this is where we can edit our photos. So of course we have a couple of example options here, and also at the top we have, like, for example, the mirroring effect and the rotation and so on and so forth. You can go to crop in order to, for example, crop your photo, to rotate it, and so on and so forth. Here we also have the mirroring option. In adjust, we can find, for example, the brightness selection, the contrast. We can adjust shadows and highlights and so on and so forth. And of course, we have a couple of options, so additional tools that might be worth using from time to time, like the magic eraser, touch up, and so on and so forth. Or you can even find filters in here. So once you are done editing your photo, you can either, well, you can just tap on Save as Copy in the upper right corner to save your photo. Of course, you are going to still save or keep your original photo, and this one is going to be saved separately. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.